Tektronix TBS1052C 50 MHz digital storage oscilloscope review. Honest, real results. You are debugging a circuit at midnight. The signal looks clean on screen, but something downstream keeps failing, and you cannot catch the event because your scope just missed it again. That is the exact moment someone I know nearly scrapped a working design over a ghost problem. Type guilty if that situation has wrecked your evening before. Sound painfully familiar right now? That suffocating loop of adjusting triggers, recapturing waveforms, and still missing the one glitch that matters quietly destroys your confidence in your own data. You start questioning the circuit when the real problem is the tool. What if control was actually simple? Because the answer is not more complexity. It is one properly designed instrument sitting quietly on your bench right now. Then I plugged in the Tektronix TBS1052C 50 MHz 2-channel digital storage oscilloscope, and everything got stupidly quiet. Do not just pick any digital storage oscilloscope. Make sure it has a 1 gigasample per second sample rate across all active channels simultaneously, so you never feel that maddening frustration of a scope dropping sample rate the moment you enable both channels, ever again. Here are 6 things this instrument actually does for you. First, 32 automated measurements appear instantly, so you stop calculating manually and start actually analyzing. Second, dual-window FFT shows time and frequency domains together, so switching between views never breaks your diagnostic rhythm. Third, advanced triggers including pulse and runt capture irregular events that edge triggers completely miss. Fourth, 15 horizontal divisions show 50% more signal horizontally than a traditional 10-division display. Fifth, the Help Everywhere system explains menus in real time, so new users learn without stopping to find documentation. Sixth, a fanless design keeps the bench completely silent under sustained use. At 2:47 a.m. before a client demo, a junior engineer nearly called off a presentation until the runt trigger isolated the exact fault in under 3 minutes. There is one setting in the courseware system that almost nobody configures correctly, and it changes everything. Hours saved stack fast when your measurements are automatic. Clarity follows because dual FFT removes the guesswork from frequency analysis entirely. Performance doubles when triggers catch what manual setups miss. And results speak for themselves when your bench data is consistent, repeatable, and confident. An electronics instructor described the TBS1052C interface as intuitive enough that students learn signal analysis effectively without needing constant guidance. A hardware reviewer called the 7-inch display a genuine differentiator, specifically noting the 15-division horizontal scale makes long pulse trains dramatically easier to read. An embedded engineer confirmed the 1 gigasample per second sampling captures glitches cleanly, and the FFT function debugs power supply noise that would otherwise require a separate spectrum analyzer. One Maker community user wrote, and I am quoting directly, "Responsive controls and courseware make learning oscilloscopes actually accessible and fun." I personally watched a lab manager deploy 20 units in one training facility and report that the password-lockable autoset feature transformed how practical exams were run. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. The 5-year warranty at this price level is genuinely unusual, and it matters more than people realize. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for focus. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their bench and stop second-guessing their own data. The Tektronix TBS1052C 50 MHz 2-channel digital storage oscilloscope gives you professional Tektronix signal integrity, 32 automated measurements, dual FFT, advanced triggers, and a 5-year warranty in one compact, fanless instrument built for real daily work. First link in the description. I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Your bench deserves a tool that keeps up with you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.